Hello everybody, my name is Carlos. Thank you for tuning in. I'm a new channel. We're primarily going to be talking about Python 3. I know everybody says it, but if you could like and subscribe, it would really help me out. As you can see, I'm just getting started, but I really do want to be able to bring you guys new content. Ideally things that aren't at a crazy high level that some people would have trouble following along with. This is my journey to learn, and I would love if you would come along with me. First things first, you need to be able to program in Python on your computer. I'm using Mac. If you're using Windows, Linux, you should be able to follow along without any problems. As you can see, I actually use Anaconda because it comes with all of the dependencies and everything that you need to be able to get started. So if you just do a quick search for Anaconda, you can just go to the individual edition, click on download, and it'll bring you right down to the different installers. Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Go ahead and choose the graphical installer, or if you want the command line installer for your chosen operating system. They are definitely kind of large, so depending on your connection, this could take some time, and then you'll have to install them afterwards. Feel free to pause the video until you get all that taken care of. So now that you've got Anaconda installed, go ahead and open it up, and you'll get this Anaconda Navigator. There are a lot of tools. It can be overwhelming at first. If you look, there's PyCharm and Jupyter Notebook. These are the two tools that I use a lot. PyCharm is what I use from when I'm developing the actual programs. Jupyter Notebook is where I jump over to prototype a few lines of code, or if I'm having problems with a function. It really helps me to isolate things and run them in these small little cells. I'll give you a demonstration of what I mean. What's really great about Jupyter is that everything that you type in here is going to run, and in Python 3 at least, a lot of the variables will carry over into other things. So for example, if we were to make a function, and we just call it a simple function, and we want it to, we'll take a value, and then we will say, whatever you enter in here, we're gonna add it to 4. So 4 plus value. So if we create a variable for that, so we'll call it output val. So whatever we enter in here will be the value. It'll go here, it'll add to 4, and then we will print whatever the output value is. Now what's really great about this is we can run this function here, and then in an entirely different cell, we can make a call to it. So if we were to say simple function, and say we wanted to add, let's say 6 to it, and then we run it, we get 10. So even though it's in a different cell, everything that's running continues to run. The simple function was defined in this cell, but even though we ran it in this cell, the 6 that we entered was added to the 4 and printed out. And then PyCharm is where I go to develop my actual programs. So now that we've got everything set up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump into the next video. If you're able to follow along without any problems, definitely great. Hit like and subscribe, comment down below. If you have any questions, also throw them down in the comments and I'll make sure to get back to you.